Hello everyone, I am Niranjan from Davangere, Karnataka. I am really glad to get this opportunity to share some experience and thoughts about our college. It's really wonderful to be a part of such an institution. There are several aspects to be shared with you all, but the major one is academics. Let me start from there. We are really blessed to have such an experienced and friendly faculties. The efforts they are making to build our career is highly appreciable. They take care of each and every student individually and personally. That helps us to give our best effectively. The classroom sessions are very much interactive with the relevant examples, which leads to understand the concept thoroughly. The skill development activities like role play, group discussion, and leadership skills are helping us to get to know our knowledge effectively. The club activities like marketing helping us to get to know the current scenario of the market. The case study we solve in the classroom helping us to improve our analytical skills. The weekly interactive session with professional resource person helping us to. I am sure one with focused approach will definitely find the environment to be very balanced, friendly and lively. Wish you all the best. And to conclude, I would say I definitely blessed to be a part of AIMS IBS family. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rupa Sarkar, student of AIMS IBS MBA Semester 2. Today I would like to tell you my experience in AIMS IBS. There are many things which I like to count as a blessing which I have received from AIMS IBS, the unconditional support you can say, and the growth platform which my college has provided to me. There are various things I like to count today. First is I like to tell you the mentorship program which is offered to the student. I feel as an MBA student, many people have various doubts and they want to clear their visions regarding their interest or related to their internship. So I think under this mentorship program, the student of AIMS IBS get a platform where they can directly communicate with their mentor regarding their doubts and it can be clarified very easily. Second thing I like to tell you, what I feel unique in AIMS IBS is the kind of various clubs which are started. It is basically supporting the growth and development of students. You can find a cultural club, sports club as well as various kind of specialization clubs. All these clubs are aimed and targeted towards the growth and development of students. And the thing which I like the most about my college is like basically the kind of a communication we have, very much open and transparency. I don't think so in other schools if you want to communicate with your director, so it will be very much kind of an easy thing. But whereas in AIMS IBS we have very much transparency, we can communicate very easily, just a few formalities you have to take and you can directly communicate. The friendliness, the bond we have developed in AIMS IBS is like the best thing I can say. Such a great kind of environment which makes you more productive towards academic. And one more thing I like to tell you that we at AIMS IBS we also had fun as well as we also pretty much serious about our academics. So it has been a wonderful experience to be part of AIMS IBS family and thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Satvik from Trendsetters batch of 2019-2021 AIMS IBS Bangalore. It's been almost a year since I've joined here to do my MBA and I have had quite the experience during my journey with AIMS IBS. The Roots to Fruits program had helped me get through the introductory phase without any discomfort, and I have learned about how to become a better leader in every event that they have conducted in that. I am a part of IC, which is an initiative taken by the entrepreneurship cell. The college provided me the opportunity to visit other colleges and attend entrepreneurship workshops as part of this initiative and helped us collaborate with Wadhwani Foundation as well. The college has provided us immense support on every event we conducted through IC. Even during this time of lockdown, we were able to conduct an event called Success from Shelf campaign, and the social media team was really helpful with that. I am also a part of sports club in which we are planning to take fitness Zoom sessions in order to help the students maintain their fitness during these testing times of the pandemic. The ultimate motive of the college is to engage the students as much as possible, making us actively participate in every event, be it intra or inter-college events. They motivate us and improve our morale to be more productive and we are provided with various soft skills courses like digital marketing, advanced Excel, SAP, SAP, etc. In general, this was a very good experience, and I'm hoping for a better future with NJBS and beyond. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sajid Sheikh. The best thing about being a student in AIMS IBS Business School is the kind of opportunities that are provided to showcase your knowledge and skills by the college management and faculty who are very student friendly and approachable in nature.
Hello friends, my name is Shivam Rai and I am the first year student of AIMS IBS. Today I would like to share my story in AIMS IBS, the place where dreams meet reality. The college provided lots of opportunities to grow ourselves. The first opportunity is Roots to Fruits program. It is conducted when I joined the college. This opportunity provides us lots of skills and lots of learnings. And coming to next opportunity conducted by the Entrepreneurship Club and Marketing Club helps us to develop the entrepreneurship mindset as well as the techniques of sales. And the college also planned a trip to Kanakpura on September 2019, which is a very much adventurous and educational. It helps us a lot to learn as well as we do lots of fun there. And today I am running my business of healthcare and beauty. The whole credit goes to the college development program and well as their training.